Hello students, today we are going to learn English Grammar Chapter 4 Adjectives. Topics to cover today: definition of adjectives, types of adjectives, position and order of adjectives. Let us first know what is an adjective. An adjective is a describing word. An adjective describes a noun. Now take the example, the beautiful girl. Here beautiful word says about the girl, describes the girl. That's why beautiful is an adjective. Types of adjectives. There are 7 different types of adjectives. They are adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, participial adjective, then demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective and interrogative adjectives. Now let us discuss what is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality are the words that give us information about the qualities of a noun or pronoun. Let us take the first example. The ugly duckling turned into a beautiful swan. Here these two words, ugly and beautiful. Ugly is describing the duckling and beautiful swan. So these are the qualities. That's why these are called adjective of quality. Adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity answers the question how much. Adjective of quantity are the measuring words, and these words are used for uncountable nouns. For example, I have little knowledge about astronomy. How much knowledge I have? Little. So little, that is saying about the quantity of the uncountable noun knowledge. That's why it is adjective of quantity. Adjective of number. Adjective of number are the words that tell us about the quantity, how many. Now see the example. Give me 8 bananas. How many bananas? 8 bananas. So 8 is the quantity. So that's why it is adjective of number. Participial adjectives. Verb plus ing is called present participle and verb plus ed is called past participle. When these participle words are used as describing words, they are known as participial adjective. For example, I love to see your smiling face. Here smiling is present participle, but in this sentence smiling is used as a describing word. It describes the face. That's why smiling is here adjective and it is called participial adjective. For example, second example, let us take it from here. The tired truck driver landed in a pond. Tired, it is past participle. So this past participle word tired is describing the driver here. So it is a describing word. That's why this is participial adjective. Number 5 is possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are the words that show possession. For example, my, our, your, his, these are all possessive words and these are possessive adjectives also when they are placed before a noun. For example, this is my book. Book is a noun and in front of or just before book, my is placed. So my is possessive adjective. 6 is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative words are these, that, these, those. When these demonstrative words are placed before a noun and they identify the noun, then it is called demonstrative adjective. For example, this bottle belongs to me. Here this word identifies the bottle. That's why this is demonstrative adjective. Interrogative adjectives are the words that are used with a noun in a question, such as whose, which, what. Interrogative adjectives means the interrogative words that are placed in front of a noun and makes a question. For example, what book are you reading? Here in front of book, the word question word what is placed and then the question is framed. That's why what here is interrogative adjective. I hope you have learned different types of adjectives. Now let's move to the next step, and that is position and order of adjectives. When an adjective is placed before a noun, then its position is called attributive position. For example, Ramesh is a generous boy. Now here the word generous sits in front of boy to say what type of boy is Ramesh. So it is placed before the boy and then the position of the adjective here is attributive. Predicative position. When an adjective is placed after a linking verb, then its position is called predicative position. And what are the linking verbs? Linking verbs are like be, become, seem, look, appear, etc. For example, Lopa seems ill today. Here seems is a linking verb and here ill is describing and it sits or it is placed after the linking verb. So ill here is predicative. The adjective ill here is placed in predicative position. Now let's learn order of adjectives, which is very important. When more than one adjective is used in the attributive position, that is before the noun, a certain order is follows. And if you follow this sequence, then it will be very easier for you. And that sequence is first will be article, then opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, purpose, and at last noun. For example, see the chart. A wonderful, tiny, antique, round, white crystal ball. So first is placed A, that is article, opinion is wonderful, size is tiny, age is antique, shape is round, color is white, crystal is material, and at last noun. Again, the third example, a cute tiny yellow Australian lovebird. So here is also first article, opinion, size, color, origin, noun. This is the order of adjective. Students, here is the summary of today's presentation. Please pause the video and go through it. Thank you.